don't recognize this guy.
Looks a lot younger than the other pirates.
That's one. Oh, Sam texted me back. Ah, see there, Sully? Turns out Sam doesn't know everything either.
Gloating is unseemly.
Huh. No name. This guy's getup looks Moorish. Found the stars, but who are you? Huh. Yazid al-Basra.
Looks Indian.
Close. Muggle.
Wait, aren't the Muggles the ones Avery robbed?
Honor among thieves.
Yeah, like that's ever the case.
That's three. Edward England.
Stout little fellow.
And four. All right, I got the names of two of them. We should still be able to figure this out. Boom. Ah! Look at that.
What do we got?
Not sure yet.
Maybe send it to Sam?
Really?
Hey, you're the one who said he's the pirate expert. Just saying.
Okay, that's one. And two. Last one. All right, let's see what he makes of them.
You know, that kind of looks...
Hold on.
What are you doing? You just took pictures.
Hold that. You know, Avery's recruits wouldn't have had smartphones, obviously.
Obviously.
So this would have been the only way for them to get to the next clue.
These are clues.
Here, let me see. Voila.
Oh. All right, these could be trade winds. Yeah, and these look like latitudes, and I would guess that we are packing our bags again, Boyle. What?
Pro Deus quod licentia. Oh, no, it can't be.
Can't be what?
Oh, my God, it's so obvious.
Nate.
Why didn't I see this before?
Jesus, enough of the beautiful mind shit. What the hell are you talking
Just
about?
hang on. Sam, did you get the photos?
Here I am. I'm calling what I thought was Sullivan's phone, and look who picks up. How you been, Nate?
Hey, Rafe. It's been a long time. How did you get this number? Sullivan leave it on a cocktail napkin?
I wish. That only would have cost me a few shots of rum, right? No, I had to pay top dollar to find you guys.
Yeah. I hope you didn't spend too much on this whole Avery thing. I hear the competition's fierce.
Yeah, you pulled off some clever moves there. But in the end, all that matters is who gets to Avery's treasure first.
Well, that sounds like a bet.
Hey, Nate, you know I'm always game, but my partner, well, she prefers to mitigate unnecessary risks.
Wow. Rafe Adler, taking orders from somebody else. Oh, how times have changed.
Look, Nate, I'm gonna make you a one-time offer here. You drop everything, go home, live your life. I'm willing to forgive and forget, for old time's sake.
As tempting as that sounds, Rafe.
I gotta say, I'm not normally the kind of guy who likes to quit while he's ahead.
Okay. Pro Deus quod licentia, for God and liberty. These are nice pictures, Nate. Good composition.
You hacked our phones.
You stole my cross. Listen, Nate. If you're half as smart as you think you are, you'll accept my offer. What's it gonna be?
Listen, as nice as it's been to catch up with you, I really gotta take this call, so...
Well, Nate, one more thing. Nate,
What?
you do realize that your phones are equipped with GPS, right? I'll see you soon, buddy.
Shit.
Let me guess. Goons with guns on their way here now.
Sam,
For God and liberty. Nathan, do you understand what this means?
Sam, listen to me.
get off the streets right now and destroy your phone.
What's going on?
Rafe knows where we are. All right, you gotta find someplace to hide.
Sam? Sam! Damn it. Hey, I'll buy you a new one.
Okay.
Sully. I think that's Sam's tower.
It's definitely Sam's tower. Come on. This way. Pardon me.
Excuse me? Excuse me, what? How long you think before Rafe gets here?
Let's not stick around to find out.
Sorry, pal.
Come on, down here, Nate. Nate, watch out!
Everyone out of the way! My ass again, Sully.
Hold still, asshole. Good work, team.
Sam.
Just keep heading downhill.
Brilliant.
Nick, more of them.
Oh, shit. Hang on.
Oh, Christ. Sam's Towers is the bottom of this hill. Keep going down. Sam's not gonna make it if we don't get down there.
Get out of the way!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful! Jesus! Damn, it's that goddamn truck again!
Look out!
Please don't run anyone over!
Sorry!
Sam's Tower! Hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Careful! Jesus! Damn, it's that goddamn truck again! Crap! Hey, that was clean laundry.
They can wash it again. It's like a maze here.
Well, just keep heading down.
Hang on!
Where the hell are you going?
You're the one who said just head down!
Jesus!
Coming through!
Well, this was really a great idea, Nate.
Do you want to drive?
Oh, you're doing just fine.
See? I got it. Crap! This guy's so give up. Okay, we're here.
Oh, stop, stop, stop!
Stick shift.
Come on, get out of here.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe là?
Go!
Allez, avance!
Pourquoi personne ne s'avance? Allez, avancez-vous, ça! Il y a quelque chose, là! On le voit!
I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now?
Hey, up those stairs! Damn it!
Crap! This guy's so give up.
Stick shift. Come on, get out of here.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe là?
Go!
Allez, avance!
I'm just gonna cut through here. What am I supposed to do now?
Hey, up those stairs. Hey, Nate.
Yeah?
We can never, ever come back to this city.
Add it to the list.
Ah. Whoa, 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 watch it!
Really?
You got a 4x4, go around.
Hang on.
Sorry, fellas. First-time driver here. Sam's Tower's at the bottom of this hill. Keep going down. Sam's not gonna make it if we don't get down there. God damn it! Watch it!
Really?
You got a 4x4, go around.
Hang on.
Sorry, fellas. First-time driver here. Yeah, we'll be out of your way in a second.
All right. Let's see that truck get past that. Come on!
Come right, come right! Wait,
Don't worry, I got this. I got this. I got this. I don't got this.
holy shit!
We're close. Keep an eye out for Sam.
Hey, I think that's him. Right there.
Hold on!